Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we are going to continue the topic Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. In the previous period, we have already uh, done how to write a formal invitation and written notice. Okay, I have read two notice. So you know how to write formal invitation and a written notice. Now, teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. For any program, we invite guests. So teacher made calls, special calls to invite the special invitees. Here is a sample of one of such telephone conversation. One sample is given how the teacher is talking on phone calls with special invitees. Now, receptionist and teacher. The conversation between receptionist and teacher is given here. Receptionist, hello, Girgaon Times. Receptionist is saying, hello, Girgaon Times. Teacher, good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor? Mr. Shashank, please. What the teacher is saying? Good morning. I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor? Mr. Shashank, please. Receptionist, just a second. Teacher, thank you. News editor, hello, Mr. Ajinkya Shashank. Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher is saying, fine. How are you? News editor is saying, fine. Teacher, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitation today. News editor, I see. Teacher, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will be a trend for all schools to follow. We would like your paper to cover the function prominently. News editor, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one. We should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor is saying, fine, I have made a note of it. Teacher, thank you very much. So in this way, the conversation between teacher and receptionist, teacher and news editor takes place. And in this way, she invites the news editor for the school program, social work project. Okay, so teachers wants that the news editor should come and he should cover the school program in his newspaper. Okay, newspaper's name is Girgaon Times. Girgaon Times. So in this way, they have they have done the conversation. In this way, he confirmed that he will come. News editor, Mr. Shashank, he will come and cover whole news of the this program in his newspaper. Understood? Now, students passed on the message to their parents. When you got any notice in the school or any programs information regarding any announcement regarding to the program or competition, whatever in the school, how you pass the message to their parents. Here is a sample. How you should pass this message to your parents. Now, see, Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday. How will the student say, Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday. The 9th said Samir. Sunday ki 9th hogi date. That's why the 9th said Samir. What's the occasion? They were asking, what's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Which is the project name? Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. There is a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. There is a function, inauguration function of this project, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hand, Sunday 10 sharp. Timing is 10 o'clock. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Which class? Students of 7th standards are invited with their parents. Where is it? Where is it? In the school assembly hall. Program is there in the school assembly hall. How long will it be? कितने देर तक चलेगा? How long will it be? About an hour. Mrs. Knight will be there too. About an hour. About an hour. Mrs. Knight will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. Who is going to inaugurate the function or the program? Mrs. Knight. I see. And what's this project about? Oh, I see. Mrs. Knight, she is inaugurating the function. And what this program is about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They will explain that on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mummy. Let's see, Daddy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. So parents is saying, we both can't come, but one of either me or Mummy, Daddy is saying, either me or your Mummy will accompany you. Okay. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. That is very nice because Mr. Ajinkya has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about this project, social work project. So in this way, you have to pass on this message to your parents. So there is a communication between the parents and the student. Okay. Now, what we have learned this passage contains 4 different types of invitation: a formal invitation, an oral invitation, a notice, and another oral invitation. So notice is also there. So in last period we have done formal invitation, notice. Okay. Now read each invitation carefully. What you have to do? Read each invitation carefully, keeping in mind the list of 8 questions given below. Note the answers in your notebook. Verify the formal invitation A covers all the 8 points. For example, 8 points we have to cover. Which are they? We are going to discuss. Who is giving the information? Who is giving the information? Who is sending the information? What is the program? What is the program is about? What is the subject of the program? What is the name of the project? What is the name of the project? Who will be inaugurate it? Who is the chief guest? Who will going to inaugurate the program? Who will preside over the function? Who will preside over the function? What time will the function start? What time will the function start? Where will it take place? Where will it take place? How many names get mentioned in the invitation? How many names get mentioned in the invitation. So all these 8 points you have to consider and make a invitation. Okay, these points are very important. Again, I repeat, see, you have to write any invitation, you have to mention all these points. Without this, it is incomplete. So it is very important to mention all these 8 points. Okay. First point is, who is sending or giving the information? Who is sending the information or who is giving the information? Name of that person. What is the program? What is the program is subject of the program. You have to mention. What is the name of the project? Whatever the project is going on, what is the name of that project? Then, who will inaugurate it? Who will inaugurate the function or program? Next point is, who will preside over the function? Who will preside over the function? What time will the function start? What time will the function start? Next is, where will it take place? Where will it take place? How many names get mentioned in the invitation? Names get mentioned in the invitation. So all these 8 topics you have to cover. So today we have done the telephone conversation between the teacher and the special invitees, and the conversation between students and his parents. Okay, student and the parents. A formal invitation, a written notice. Okay, a formal invitation, a written notice, and an oral invitation we have done in the topic seeing eyes, helping hands. Okay. Now, yes, what you have to do, prepare a formal invitation. What you have to do, you have to prepare a formal invitation for a function you have arranged at home. You have arranged one function at home. You have to prepare a formal invitation for that function. It should be clearly state the following points. The following points, I'll tell you the points. You have to cover all these points in your formal invitation. Who is inviting people to the function? Who is inviting people to the function? The date and time. Very important. The date and time you have to mention in your formal invitation. Then in third point is, you have to make a polite request to attend the function. What you have to make? You have to make a polite request to attend the function. Now next is what the program is. What is the subject of the program? What is the subject of the program? And last topic point is the venue, the place where the function will take place. The venue, the place where the function will take place. Okay, so this topic you have to cover. First, who is inviting people to the function? Second, the date and time. Third is a polite request to attend the function. Okay. Fourth is what the program is about. What the program is about. And last is the venue. The venue, the place where the function will take place. Okay. So this is very important to prepare a formal invitation. Your formal invitation should have all these points: date, time, venue, invitation, polite request to attend the function. Okay, all these points you have to cover in your formal invitation. So your homework is prepare a formal invitation. Formal invitation. Prepare a formal invitation of the function at home. Okay. So in this way, we have done all the questions of the topic seeing eyes, helping hands. Seeing eyes, helping hands. So you have to prepare one formal invitation for this. Okay. So do it. In next period, we'll start the topic. Okay, bye.